it's your turn. Complete each equivalent fraction. Pause the video and work through all three before checking your answers. Ready? For number 1, 3 times 3 equals 9. So 1 times 3 equals 3. The missing numerator is 3. For number 2, 4 times 2 equals 8. So 3 times 2 equals 6. For number 3, 2 times 4 equals 8. That means we also multiply 5 by 4, giving us 20. How did you do? Let's decide whether each pair is equivalent. For the first pair, 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 3 equals 9. Both numbers were multiplied by 3, so the fractions are equivalent. For the second pair, 3 was multiplied by 2 to get 6, but 5 was multiplied by 3 to get 15. The same operation was not used for both parts, so these fractions are not equivalent.